long run just behind you. Everything has come so fast. Memories are all inside you, and you never make them back. I can feel that you're in through the world that did not make sense. You can feel what I mean now that you're here. Just know there's nothing to fear along the way. There's nothing I could say, nothing I could say, but I say, you can wipe the years you're hiding. I say, you can kill the fear you're holding. There is one thing that is true, the only one that can get through. There is one thing that is true, just gotta make it last forever. Wonder why I can't feel relief with being blind or dumb. Find something to believe in and I never give it up. I can feel that you're in with the world that did not make sense. You can feel what I mean now that you're here. There's nothing to fear along the way. There's nothing I could say, nothing I could say, but I say, you can wipe the years you're hiding. I say, you can kill the fear you're holding. There is one thing that is true, the only one that can get through. There is one thing that is true, you just gotta make it last forever, ever, ever. It will never last forever, ever, ever. You just gotta live forever. If and when I close my eyes, if and when I fall asleep, it's the same in the end. Time is running out. If and when I close my eyes, if and when I close my eyes, there's nothing to fear along the way. There's nothing I could say, nothing I could say, but I say, you can wipe the years you're hiding. I say, you just gotta make it last forever, forever. You can wipe the years you're hiding. I say, you can kill the fear you're holding. There is one thing that is true, the only one that can get through. There is one thing that is true, you just gotta make it last forever.
Hello everyone and welcome to part 2 of Revell's F-16 Fighting Falcon, my favorite fighter jet of all time. And as you can see, there's the box there. The aircraft itself is built. The glue is still drying on these infrared missiles here, but I managed to get the overall base of the aircraft finished, and I even got the weapons and the extras on. And for the first time as well on the model airplane building series, I've painted the cockpit inside. In fact, there was actually one comment on I think it was on the P-51 Mustang. I think it was at on the level 3 kit. One person asked me why did I not paint the inside of the cockpit, and I replied to him saying that I wasn't really bothered with it at the time. But I saw a few other people who make these kind of videos just like I do, and they were painting the cockpit and all inside just to get that a little bit of a look, which gave me the inspiration to also maybe paint the inside of the cockpit myself. Also, I also used a lot less glue this time than what I would normally use, and the plane looks a lot less messy and a lot more tidier than it did before. Also, one mistake I did make There was one mistake though. That's the canopy clear plastic here. I did accidentally crack it though when I was trying to trim it a bit with this pen knife. But other than that though, it didn't ruin the overall detail of the aircraft. And now the aircraft itself still looks pretty fantastic in my opinion. I even painted the engine before building before putting it on the aircraft. And now the actual aircraft itself looks pretty fantastic in my opinion. So that is part 2 of Revell's F-16 Fighting Falcon. Part 3 will show the aircraft, which is a high-speed video of the aircraft being painted. For now though, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.